Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up scheduling on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, to set up scheduling, it's very easy. There is a very useful integration within Squarespace itself. It's not even an integration, it's more of a feature. It uses Acuity Scheduling, which is, I'm pretty sure, software developed by the Squarespace team. So we'll be using that to add that element. Now, as you can see, currently I have a blank page. I'm going to click on Edit, and I'm going to go ahead and add a block, scroll down and click on Scheduling. This is going to add the Acuity Scheduling block, and as you can see, you need to connect to it. Now, I'm already connected to my Acuity account, so if I double click this, it's going to add the content, and it's automatically going to add my Acuity appointment link. If you don't have it, you're going to go ahead and click on the link, or you'll have a link slot over here. Then you're going to go over into Acuity Scheduling itself, and once you're there, you're going to go ahead and go back to your scheduling page, since it's going to take me over here. We're going to go back to scheduling, and the link you want to copy is this scheduling page link over here. Copy that over, go back here, and you'll see the link slot that I mentioned somewhere over here. You're going to post it into there. Now, once you do that, it's going to be linked just like so. And as you can see, it's powered by Acuity Scheduling. It's very easy to use. And once you're done with that, just click save once you've modified the design and everything. And once we exit, this is the preview of our page. And as you can see, you can click over here and add a time and book an appointment or a schedule over here very easily through your Squarespace site itself, or your visitors will be able to do that themselves. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.